Joe Valley says that children in Arab countries are under strange mental pressure. There is a lot of terror around these children. They are also mentally liking hatred, which is very dangerous. Efforts are underway to rehabilitate these children through Christian media. Kameli Malik said that Christians in Lebanon are being accused of spying on the country and giving news about the area to Christian Israelis. Hezbollah has limited the resources of Christians, which has deprived them of food, education, health, and other basic rights. Jean-Sean Wilfrode said that Tanzania's prisons are full of Islamic extremists. Preaching in prison is very difficult. While the prison staff does not allow them to meet with prisoners due to security reasons, but when the word of God is read in prison, many extremists become believers.